Why doesn't your child or your student like to read and they don't like doing the reading lesson? It's probably because you are forgetting to do CWHA. Let's get right into it, all of that and more. My name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we are all about empowering you with resources for young children. So if you enjoyed today's content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. The first tip is C, confidence booster. You're not starting your reading lesson with a confidence booster. Take a quick second before you read to do an affirmation. This could be a quick prayer, something to help give the child some confidence, encourage some confidence that they can do it before they get started. The next one is W. W is a warm-up. So before you begin your getting into the nits and grits of your reading lesson, you want to do a warm-up. And I like to do two types of warm-ups. One that is physical, where you're actually moving their body and getting their brain ready. That could be super simple. Turn on some music, just let them shake their sillies out. And also including a phonological awareness warm-up. This could be in the form of a rhyming game. We recently did a rhyming game with reading by design, where you do thumbs up, thumbs down. Just a fun way to just engage them in a simple but yet playful way. So doing a warm-up physically and phonologically. The next one is hands-on activity. I am all about hands-on activities. So you want to make sure, does your reading lesson or the reading curriculum that you have include kinesthetic hands-on activities? So for example, we include Play-Doh when we're doing our reading lesson. We include sound bowling. We did that out of our reading by design curriculum. This is a way to make reading hands-on. And the next one, so we went over the C, we went over the W. Now we want to go over the A, which is assessment. A lot of times we're like, I feel like I'm not getting anywhere with the reading lesson. Well, if you didn't do a beginning assessment at the beginning, then it's going to be hard to measure progress. And we want to make sure we're celebrating every victory along the way. But let me know right now in the comments. Have you been doing C, confidence boosters? Have you been doing W, warm-ups? Have you been doing H, hands-on activities? And have you been doing A, assessment? Those are just some of those key things that we can get lost in the sauce with as parents and educators. So let me know right now in the comments, are you using any of those strategies? And if you want to take a closer look at reading by design, I will make sure I leave it below. But let's finish this conversation in the comments. Bye, guys.